This is no-code indexing in 116 seconds. So you just made chess on Aptos. Great. You make a game with your best friend and make your first move. Now your friend logs on, but how does the dApp know what games they've been invited to? Games are objects, and you can look up objects someone owns. But there's no link to the opponent. We need an API. Imagine a table with one row per game. I want to query all games where the opponent is dport.apt. When you make a game, the contract emits this event. Let's index those events. In Aptos build, we select a project and create a processor. Give it a name, choose a network to index, and select when to start indexing from. From here, add an event data source. Enter the address of the chess module and select game created event, the event we want to index. Now let's define the DB table we want to populate. We create columns for creator, opponent, and the object address of the game. We choose to add indices on creator and opponent to make queries performant. To define the mapping, just draw lines between the event fields and table columns. Finally, we create the processor. From here, Aptos build provisions a database, processor, and API for us. 2 minutes later, and boom, we're live. Next, we need to configure Hasura. Copy the Hasura admin secret and open the console. Track the games table and set permissions for the fields. And that's it. Let's test it out. We'll write a query to get details about games where I'm the opponent, and there you have it. At this point, the whole stack is ready to roll, so let's use it in our dApp. Let's grab the API URL and configure our client. Now we create a key, copy the secret, and use that in our client too. Define the GraphQL query, generate some code, wrap it in a hook, and bingo, there it is. Our dApp can show the games that I've been invited to. All of this without writing any code or running any infrastructure.